Hi friends, welcome back to my channel again. So in this video I'm going to show you the freshers hiring in Dell company. Let's jump into the video friends. So basically friends, as soon as you open the Google Chrome, just visit my website, which is google360.com. So I have posted more than 500 plus active jobs in this website. So we are going to discuss about this job, which is Analyst Data Engineering in Dell. I'm going to open this one. So basically once I have opened this one, I'm going to click on here and I'm going to click on here so that it will push me to the company's website. So this is the job we are going to discuss friends. The job is based out of Bangalore, India, and the role is Analyst Data Engineering, and you can simply assume the job would be in the data engineering team. And keeping that aside, let's see what kind of person they are looking for. So basically friends, they are looking for a person who is having 2 years of relevant experience or a graduate degree. So you can simply assume it is applicable for freshers as well. And coming to the skills, you need to have some skills on MS Excel, VBA, SQL and Power BI. So you can assume SQL and MS Excel are important. And keeping that aside, translating the strategic direction and BO established by partners into holistic digital technology, change management and organization strategies. So basically these two are something they will train you. And what are desired requirements? So these are essential. These are like bonus, or you can assume it will give you high priority if you have some experience and knowledge on Python and developing innovative answers to complex business and IT solutions. So let's say if you know Python and SQL, this job is yours. Simply I can tell you that one. And keeping that, what you will be able to do is interact with the business stakeholders and leaders together and scope BI analytical requirements. So you would be basically working with the analytics team friends. So that's it. It is not more than that. And let's say if you want to apply for the job, you can click on apply now. So once you click on apply now, it will show you everything here. So basically you need to start your journey and you need to click on submit. I just clicked on skip this step for now. So probably it will ask me to fill the details or else create an account in the Workday page. Yeah, it is redirecting me to the Workday website of Dell. So basically you need to click on create an account if you are if you are applying for the first time. If you have already applied, you can log in and log in with your email address and password, and it will show you the further steps. And keeping that aside, let's talk about the salary part. So I have clicked on Dell Glassdoor and I have opened this one, and I'm going to click on salaries and I'm going to click on Analyst. So basically friends, the salary is around 7 lakh or 7 lakh. So depending upon your experience, you can get the pay like 7 lakh to 8 lakh. So these are the salary friends. So I think it's a great opportunity for a fresher to start a career as a data analyst in data engineering team. You can become a data scientist in future as well, and the salary is great. I would say for fresher it is 7 to 8 LPA is not a small thing. So that's it friends, that's it for this video. In my upcoming video I would be sharing more relevant information. Until then, keep watching my videos and do not forget to subscribe my channel for more future videos. Thank you and have a great day.